A very good day to all of you. I am Dr. Rashmi Rodriguez, India Alliance Fellow at St. John's Medical College, Bangalore, presenting my work titled COVID-19 and TB, an unfortunate symbiosis. In the inset of the COVID pandemic, scientific reports indicate that the disruption in healthcare services is likely to cause an increase in deaths due to tuberculosis worldwide. It is also likely that there is a 5-year setback in achieving the end TB goals. The Indian media has reported extensively on this, while on one hand it is stated that the Indian TB program is hard hit, on the other hand it is said that masks for COVID may help in eliminating TB by 2025. But what is the reality? We decided to explore this using a mixed methods approach. We've used TB notification data from the Bangalore City TB notification database. We have also interviewed patients using questionnaires. In addition, we have conducted in-depth interviews with healthcare providers, TB program personnel, and patients alike. Now, Bangalore is a city with a population of 9 million. We diagnose approximately 12,000 patients with TB annually. However, since the initiation of lockdown and post-lockdown, there was a dramatic drop in the number of patients with TB diagnosed in the city. This is confirmed using an interrupted time series analysis. However, treatment success did not or was not affected due to the lockdowns. The cross-sectional survey with 151 patients indicated that a lot of patients' financial status was affected due to COVID-19. They also reported that their quality of life was affected. Some said they had even lost their jobs due to COVID-19. However, adherence to anti-tubercular treatment was not affected during the lockdown or post-lockdown. Our qualitative results primarily confirm our quantitative findings. While COVID-19 affected the diagnosis of tuberculosis, that is, patients had a delay in diagnosis, especially because they had difficulties with approaching or seeking healthcare for their symptoms, which mimicked those of COVID-19, and there was a fear that they would be isolated or quarantined due to their symptoms, alone prevented them from seeking healthcare. TB with COVID restrictions did disrupt the family's economy of patients with tuberculosis. Some of them lost or stopped working due to tuberculosis and then were not able to get back to work due to COVID-19 restrictions. Digitization proved to be a double-edged sword. While healthcare providers communicated with patients via mobile phones, there were issues with privacy and confidentiality that affected monitoring and follow-up. Addressing stigma and promoting disclosure are essential even in the presence of COVID for the management of tuberculosis. In conclusion, COVID-19 lockdowns and restrictions affected the diagnosis of TB, but once diagnosed, treatment remained unaffected. The integration of diagnostic protocols of COVID-19 and TB could improve diagnosis of tuberculosis. For the long term, we propose to set up a cohort of tuberculosis patients to study the long-term sequelae of tuberculosis as well as the long-term impact of COVID-19 on tuberculosis. Thank you very much.